In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily share a tweet with someone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Twitter app. Then once you find a tweet that you want to share with somebody, all you have to do is just hit at this share icon, and that will give you a bunch of different options where you can share this tweet. You can use one of that 4 suggested apps, or you can hit at share via to select from some other apps. So if you can't find your app here, you can hit add more to get the full list of apps where you can share the tweet. And also from here you can just tap at copy link to copy that tweet's link to the clipboard, and after that you can manually open up any app. Let it be WhatsApp. Let me just send a message to the conversation with myself, and all you have to do now is just double tap at text field and hit add paste, and that will paste the link to that tweet to this text field. You can add there some text or some emojis, and then just hit add send. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Twitter tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.